Hi, this is Leeladhar. I'll tell you how to convert this Excel file into a XML file. For that, I have created one XSD file. As per my requirement, I have created this XSD file. You can create as per your requirement with the different kind of types. I've created for this Excel with three types, only strings: name, job title, and country. I'll go to the Excel file, then file, select options, go to the customize ribbon, select this developer. If it is already checked, then press OK. Now go to the developer option, select source. You'll get this pop-up here. Select this XML mapping. I'll remove the old one and add my new one. I'll select my folder and this XSD file. You have to select this second option as you are going to complete this table. Press OK. Now your mapping is ready. What I will do is I'll drag one by one field and map with this Excel file. Yeah. Second one is a title with designation, country with place. Now our work is done. What I will do? I'll go to this file option, save as. I'll select this XML data. I'll select as new. So this will be a XML file. Continue. Yeah. What I will do? I will close this. Yeah, I want to save this new file as well. I'll give that another name 3. Now work is done. Now you can see that XML file is created. I'll open it into a notepad. You can see all fields are mapped and values are inserted in each of the field, like name John, job title software engineer, country, everything you can see, right? So this is a very simple method to convert your Excel file into a XML file.